you're well and having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is something super exciting. I'm going to be sharing with you my summer Lush must-haves, my essentials, my products that I have been really gravitating towards for this time of year, and I'm so excited to share them with you. I've kind of picked a few things that I don't usually talk about on my channel because I usually mention things like Mask of Magdaminty, Twilight, Lord of Misrule. I'm not mentioning any of those products today, which is a really big deal. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, carry on watching, and obviously let me know down below your current Lush must-haves because I would love to know, and it's just an excuse for me to buy more products. So yeah, I hope you enjoy the video and carry on watching. So the first thing I'm going to share with you is the fragrances. Now in the summertime I do tend to wear more solid perfumes, especially for in my bag and on the go. I just think they're really handy to have, and I just don't really tend to carry liquid perfumes around with me very much. So the one that I've got to share with you today is the All Good Things. This is the old packaging. I actually have 3 of these, I'm not gonna lie. When I used to work at Lush, this was my signature scent, apart from obviously the like seasonal ones, you know, when they came out on the kitchen and that kind of thing. But this was my go-to. I absolutely love it. So when you open it, I don't know if it does anymore, but it used to have gold glitter on it. As I said, I have got 3 of these. This is the nicest looking one out of the 3, so I grabbed that one to show you. But it's really hard to describe the scent. It's like woodsy, smoky. It kind of smells like what a festival looks like. Does that make any sense? It's so good. I love it for summer. It's definitely a summer scent in my opinion. Somewhat like sun and that kind of thing. It's got that sun sort of sweetness to it, but it is really kind of woodsy and smoky and really amazing. So I absolutely love this. It is my go-to, especially like I say in the summertime. So if you haven't tried it and it is still available, definitely give that a go. Now moving on to hair. Now if you have been watching my channel for a while, you will know that I am currently undergoing a hair care kind of journey. I really stuck to it at the beginning of the year, but then I was just getting really sick of my hair. I absolutely hated it, and if I'm being honest with you guys, I much prefer my hair natural when I'm blonde. So I am currently on a lightening journey. I have got so many inspo pictures that I want my hair to look like, but it is going to be a long process, so you're going to have to stick with me. So for on those days where I want to have my hair natural and curly, I have been absolutely loving the Lush Curl Power. Now for me this is more of a summer essential because in the summertime I do have my hair more natural because it is hot and I don't want to use any heat on it. It's just already hot enough, do you know what I mean? Like I just don't want the hairdryer, I don't want the straighteners out, so this is my go-to. Now admittingly, I have only had this for a few months now. However, I just know that I will be using it a lot this summer and I absolutely am obsessed with it. So it smells like the avocado co-wash. It just smells heavenly. It smells kind of like what a Twister ice lolly tastes like, and if you're not from the UK, Twister ice lollies are like a lime ice lolly with like ice cream in the middle with like a strawberry. It's really hard to describe it, just Google it, but this is what it smells like. It's so good. It's really hydrating, and if your hair is curly like mine, I mean my hair is not the curliest by any means. People keep being really loud outside my window. It's just really annoying. I do apologise, but it's very hot, so my window's open. If you hear any banging, it's just my neighbours being annoying. But anyway, this is amazing. Honestly, if your hair is curly like mine, like I say, it's not the curliest of hair. I have got somewhat ringlets in some parts of my hair, so it is curly, but this is such a winner in my opinion, and I have been using this along with the avocado co-wash like shampoo bar thing. And it's just an amazing combo. So if you've not tried it, I promise you it's amazing. If you've got curly hair, 10 out of 10, it's a winner. It is very small though, but because my hair's short I don't need a lot, so it is lasting a long time. Next, moving on to body lotion. Now I'm not gonna lie to you, as of recently I do moisturise myself a lot more. I never used to use moisturiser, which meant that I was accumulating far too many Lush moisturisers because I had been buying them over the past few years and not really using them. But recently I did finish a Body Shop body butter and I'm so impressed with myself. I honestly feel like I need an award for doing that because it is a mission, let me tell you. But in the summertime I do tend to gravitate towards the kind of fresher and lighter moisturisers, so I have 2 to share with you. The first one is Sympathy for the Skin. I've mentioned this in many a video. This isn't kind of a new product, it is definitely a Lush staple, and I am going to show you what it looks like, but it's probably going to explode and go everywhere knowing me. It looks like this. Now it is, I don't know if you guys can see that, it is a very, nearly spilt it, liquidy consistency. It smells amazing. It smells like vanilla and I know it has got banana in it, I do believe. Let me just check before I'm lying. No, it has got banana and vanilla in it, but it's just a very fresh, light vanilla smell. It doesn't smell like bananas. It doesn't smell like almonds or anything like that, like it has in there, but it just is a very light texture. Do you know what? I'm going to put some on and show you guys what I mean, because I feel like it's hard to kind of explain it. So, oh no, the lid's now not going on properly. This is, oh, it's leaking out the sides. So this is the texture. Super thin, super buttery and kind of milky almost. It's like, it's hard to describe it. It's like buttery, milky, and like it's sunk in. Like it's so light, so fresh, and it just smells so good. Again, I've mentioned this in many a video. I'm not going to go on about it anymore, but it's amazing. Definitely a summer staple of mine because of the texture. I just love it. So, sympathy for the skin. Definitely give it a go. And I am going to briefly mention a second moisturiser, which is really rare for me. Like I say, I'm not a body moisturiser kind of gal, but this one I have been really gravitating towards recently, and I know that for the rest of the summer I am going to be leaning more towards this one, just because of the smell really. This is the Lime Bounty Moisturiser. Now, Ryan actually picked this up for me when we did the My Boyfriend Does My Lush haul video, which if you haven't seen, definitely go and watch it. It is really funny, and we actually ate this. Would not recommend. But the smell, oh my goodness guys, this smells, it's so good. It has got chunks of cocoa butter, I guess, on top, so it does melt into the skin. This one is definitely a thicker consistency. As you can see, I can hold it like this and it's not going to fall out. And in terms of ingredients, this one has olive oil, shea butter, cocoa butter, muru butter, coconut oil, capucci butter, lime oil, grapefruit oil, lemon, myrtle oil, and I've just got this piece on my hand for like ages, but we're going to put it on top of this one just because it's a bit easier to rub it in. But as you guys can see, this is definitely more of a thicker consistency, but this one just wins for me because of the scent. It smells like lime fruit pastels, which again, if you don't have fruit pastels, people keep driving up my street and it's just really loud. As I mentioned, this one does smell like fruit pastels in my opinion, which is like a limey kind of sweet smell, and I do tend to use this one more at night time just because it does have a buttery kind of oily texture to the skin. It's not as thin as the other one, but I do love it. Oh, the smell is just enough. I love this. It's so good. If you haven't given this a go, trust me, it's so good. Lastly, moving on to shower products. Now, I do tend to have more showers than baths in the summer. We recently, I say recently, over the past couple of years, we have got a shower in my house. We never used to have a shower. We only had a bath because my house is quite old. I don't really know the reason. I think my mum and dad were just happy with a bath. I don't really know. But we recently got a shower over the past few years, and I have definitely had more showers than baths in the summertime just because it's a nice freshener in the morning, and I feel like, I don't know, I like baths to relax, and if I need a quick wash, like a quick hair wash situation, I love a shower. But anyway, obviously you could use any of these products in the bath. I just thought I'd tell you that I prefer showers, kind of irrelevant, but I thought I'd let you guys know. But the first product I'm going to talk about is the Orange Scrub. Now this, I believe, is now an all year round product. It originally came out for Christmas, but now it is an all year rounder, which is amazing. And I'm not going to lie to you guys, I've only used this a couple times, but I just know from the fragrance, from the feel of it, that I am going to definitely finish this up within the next couple months because it's just a perfect summer scent. I am just really sad to finish this up because obviously I do the subscription box now, so I do try and buy less Lush stuff, so I'm not going to probably repurchase it for a little while, but this just smells incredible. Now, how do I describe this? Okay, you know how you can get those orange chocolates that have like the orange kind of like goo in the middle, do you know what I mean? Like the orange creams, I guess they're called, like from the roses and stuff. That is exactly what it smells like. It smells like fresh orange, sweet, like chocolatey. Oh, so good. And it's got a very similar texture and consistency to the Rub. So it's very soft, very moisturizing, almost feeling on the skin, and it just feels unreal when you use this. It's so good. So if you haven't tried this, I think for summer this is going to be my go-to, and I'm so obsessed with this already. It's so Lush, literally. But yeah, amazing. 10 out of 10. Trust me and thank me later. I'm not gonna lie, I am gonna mention another body scrub. This one is a little bit different and I have mentioned this product in loads of my videos. You guys probably know what it's gonna be, so pause this video, let me know down below your guess. But if you don't know what it is, this is the Scrubby Body Scrub slash Butter. Now if you don't know, I have bought probably about 10 of these by now. I absolutely love these Scrubby body butters so much. Essentially it's a body oil, so it's cocoa butter, shea butter, that kind of vibe, with ground coconut shell inside. So when you use this on the skin and you rub it in, eventually it melts through and you get this really nice exfoliating bar. It's so good. If you don't like the smell of this one, it is quite sweet. I do really recommend the Buffy body scrub. I do think they still sell that one. That one is amazing too. I used to use that one a lot when I worked there, especially because of the name. I love Buffy the Vampire Slayer, so massive fan. But Scrubby definitely is my preferred choice, only because it is more moisturising and rich on my skin. In the summertime, even though it is hot outside, I do still tend to get a little bit of a dry skin situation. I think it's just because sometimes in the summer I will fake tan and that kind of thing. So to get your fake tan off, this is a really great product because it is like really scrubby and intensely kind of moisturising. I just love it. I can't recommend it enough. I'm going to stop waffling on about it, but Scrubby Body Scrub is one of my absolute favourite products. Again, we'll always buy it, we'll always use it. Trust me, if you ever buy it, please let me know and let me know your thoughts because it's amazing. And lastly is a shower gel. Now I have had the shower gel before, I can't quite remember. I think a few years ago my mum bought it for me. I could be wrong, I can't remember, but that is the Intergalactic Shower Gel. Now this shower gel is absolutely stunning. Firstly, completely glittery, absolutely love it. Secondly, the smell. Now if you like things that are fresh, minty, kind of that kind of smell, you will love this. Oh my god. For some reason, this reminds me of the Lush Oxford Street store. I'm not too sure what it is, but I think it's because when the store opened, me and Flo went, and the Intergalactic Bath Bomb was like a new release out of all the products they released when they opened it, and the smell just reminds me of buying Intergalactic, like when it first opened. Oh, it just smells absolutely incredible, honestly. Such a fresh, summery scent. It's got a bit of sparkle in it. Obviously, it won't last on your skin, but it just smells heavenly. So lovely. I love a mint shower gel for the summer. I think it's amazing, and if you can't get hold of this, I do recommend the Dirty Spring Wash. It's not my favourite, like it's not a really yummy smell. Like this has got like a yummy kind of, I don't know, it's different to Dirty. I don't know why. It's just got more kind of layers to it, do you know what I mean? Like an ogre, like onions, you know. But if you don't like this or you can't get hold of it, try the Dirty Spring Wash. It's definitely more of a fresher kind of in your face minty smell. My throat just went weird. But yeah, so good. So that is everything for my Lush Summer Essentials. I really hope you guys did enjoy this video. Obviously, don't forget to let me know down below the products you're going to be using this summer. What are your Lush Summer Essentials? I'd love to know. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe, give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you on Wednesday for a brand new video. Bye guys!